Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Aneke. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. Oh my god, y'all. I was like, who is that texting me? But y'all, hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Aneke here on Aneke Budgets. And y'all, if it's your first time stopping by, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn your notification on, hit that like button. Okay, leave your 2 cents, which is your comment, down in the comment box below. And what else is there? Like, subscribe, comment, and turn on the notification. All them 4 things, child. Get them to it. But as you guys can see, today we are doing March 2020. Damn. We're doing March budget already, y'all. We're doing March 2024 budget, y'all. That's crazy. But we're still in February. We're doing well. We're doing good. We just need to stay the path, okay? And so, yes. But as you guys can see, we're doing March 2024 budget, y'all. And I do have some stickers that I have just laying around in my house. So we are going to use those bad boys today, as you guys can see, to do our monthly budget. And baby, we going to get into it. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, y'all, so before we go to the actual monthly budget, I wanted to come here because this is my bills and subscription log. Okay, here it is up here, my bills and subscription log. And so I came down here because I wanted to check for the upcoming month. Hey, do I have any bill that happens once a month or twice a month that's coming out? That's coming out in March. So right now, as you guys can see, I have nothing, so that's cool. And yeah, now I can go to March itself, for March budget itself, to do all the things. So let's go ahead and flip there. Okay, y'all, so this is my March budget, my monthly taskers portion of the budget binder, and I wanted to go over this first before we do the other sections, because this section, y'all, really hasn't changed since last month. If anything, it's buckled down because I have new things that's happening in my life. There's major changes, y'all, but I'm waiting until I have full confirmation and everything before I let you guys know. But y'all, when I tell you 2024 about to be different, it's about to be different, y'all. So yes, I do have for my financial goals for the month of March, I still want to do 15 no spend days. We love a good half of the month no spend. Today that we're doing this is what, the 22nd, 21st. So we should be able to get those 15 no spend days, y'all. Fingers crossed. Like I feel in my spirit like I'm all good, but you know, you never know. But 15 no spend days. I do want to put $100 to emergency fund. Yay! Emergency fund itself. And then I want to get one of you guys to give me your budget, or give me a budget to do in April. Now bear in mind, certain things won't change. So my bills of course won't change. But yes, so that's what I want to do. I want one of you guys to submit your budgets to me of how you think I should do my money for the month of March. And so, not for the month of March, for the month of April. So I want to get one of you guys know my budget, you guys see my budget. This is the monthly budget, so you can see how much I have, and then for April you can do that. I am gonna take all budget numbers up until, I want to say, my 3rd paycheck. So that is my 15th paycheck, which is, I think that's the day. So up until my 3rd paycheck. So by then you guys could see, like, you know, where your girl is at and all the things. And I believe by then you guys will have all the information, so you guys won't be just going off of, you know, blank. So give me about 2 paychecks, 2 or 3 paychecks, and then, you know, I can tell y'all all the things, and so we can see all the changes that's happening, and y'all can make the best budget. But yes, I do want for this month for one of you guys to make a budget for me for 2024. Wow, it's about to be so lit. It's about to be great, y'all. I've never had someone else do my budget, and you know your money is something very near and dear to your heart, child. And so I'm like, wow, you really gonna let somebody else do your budget for you? And I'm like, yeah girl, we gonna try it out, we gonna see how we like it. So yeah. And then the other goal that I have for March is to survive Cold Red Week. I know, and you know, and this is for the ladies, whenever code red is about to come, or whenever code red does come, the way how we be fighting for our lives, okay, the snacks be fighting for our lives, okay, the random items to buy be fighting for our lives, okay, and then the need for code red stuff. So yes, monthly goals, financial goals is to survive code red week. So yeah, that's my financial goals. My personal goals are all the same from last month, which is to spend time with God, study for my next rank, go to Big Booty Academy, okay, boom, boom, aka the gym. No creative accounting. If you don't know what no creative accounting is, that is not using one cash envelope for another thing, like stay in your lane, stay in your lane. So yeah, no creative accounting. And then read the 48 Laws of Power. So there was a toss up between the Subtle Art of Not Giving an F and the 48 Laws of Power, and I'm not gonna lie, I really wanted to read the 48 Laws of Power, and so that's what made the decision, because I've never read it. I'm super excited to read it, and I think, you know, the excitement of wanting to read this book over the other made it the more appropriate choice for me. Either way, we're both gonna learn something, we're both gonna get something out of this. So yeah, y'all, the 48 Laws of Power is the book for next month, so I hope to see you guys here on Sunday Reads, okay? Because Sunday Reads is popping. It's every Sunday at 2 p.m. Central Standard Time. So that's 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 1 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, and 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So yes. Now, I don't know why I did that, but yes. Oh, the other thing, debt for the month. I realized that I don't need to do this yet. I need to do this like at the end of the month for the debt that has had the most money paid to it and all the things. So that is gonna be the debt of the month. And then the same thing for the savings of the month, like which saving challenge or which savings that I put the most to. That is what this is. And so that's why these are blank this month, because, you know, me, I change my mind every 2 seconds of how I use these, but that's a luxury that you have with these. Like, you can decide how to use them. So, baby girl, baby boy, get into it. Okay? So, now let's go over my monthly budget. Because some of you guys may be new, some of you guys have never seen my monthly budget before, and that is a-okay, baby, because you know what we do? One every month, so that you can see what's up. If you see me and you trying to see what's up, check the budget, child. Check the budget. Okay, so let me flip over to that.
Hey y'all, so this is voiceover Aneke, and we are writing down all our bills, child. So anyone who's new, let me give y'all a tea. So I have a couple bills. My first one is my mortgage, which comes out on the 1st for $13.20. Then I have my HOA, child, which I forgot to put on the first, and then I had to back it up, and put it on there, and that is for $50. I have my Patreon, which is where my mentor puts all his stuff, and that's $17.50. And then because I gotta go to Big Booty Academy, okay, the gym, that comes out on the 2nd, and that was $25. Okay, your girl had to get it together. Now, moving on, we have my internet bill that comes out on the 7th for $98.38. We love a good internet, child. We love good services too. Get into it. Then on the 16th, I did Merrick, which is my dad in Jamaica. I send him money to help him out, and that comes out twice a month. That comes out on the 1st and the 16th, child. So if you realize, your girl had to put him back up there on the 1st. After that, I have pest control, which comes out on the 15th, and that's $68.82. ADT security on the 16th of $53.91. Then, child, I gotta pay my Navy Federal credit card, baby. That is the 18th, and that is $200. That's what I budgeted for it. I should have left that blank, actually, so I can put the actual amount I put towards it, but child, we're just talking about it. Apple Care was 24th at $8.55. Or $8.55, child. Electricity is on the 25th, but I left that blank because, you know, that's a fluctuating bill. Car payment is on the 26th for $401. Apple One is on the 29th for $18.18. And then my water is on the 29th, and that is left blank because it's random. So that's what I did. Now for these ones, for all my bills, I decided to put them in orange, and then I put my paydays and I put those in green, child. And that's my monthly budget. Get into it. Now, as I said, I'm going to be putting on these stickers on here. And child, this was my first time. Why y'all didn't tell me that putting on stickers is an art form? 100% an art form, child, because baby, I was like, where do I put it? How do I put it? But I found these cute little, you know, the Jamaican kind of come out. I found these cute little black girl ones. And then I found these inspirational quotes of the one that I liked, and I put those down. Child, I was trying not to put them everywhere on the calendar, because I was like, girl, what if you got expenses and bills? You need to be able to do them and put those down. Hello. So I put them in places that I think I wouldn't be having no money spent, or you know, somewhere in the middle of like 2 dates. But child, you see how I put on that on the 21st? Ain't nothing going on the 21st. Ain't nothing better not happen, child. But I put those down, and I was like, oh, this is nice. This is cute. I like it. But yeah, guys, that is the stickers that I put down, and I'm just putting back in because, baby, we are DONEN done.
Okay, y'all, so this is the end of the video. This is all the things. I hope you guys like this version of my monthly budget. I actually thought it was cute. This is my first time laying down decorative stickers, y'all. So girl, please, sir, please be gentle. But no, I thought this was fun. I really like how it's like colorful, and I see the overall of my month, like where all my money comes out. And all I want to say is, this side be doing all the work, because what happens over here? Nothing happens over here. Like, more towards whenever my paychecks are coming in is when my bill comes in, except for over here, as you guys can see. But that's okay. Like, this visual is like so helpful. I can see why the girlies be doing the calendar ones versus the monthly budget one. But I did do both, y'all. So, oh, just quick so y'all can see, I did do my monthly budget here. So I did write down all the things, which is about the same. And then for my cash envelopes, I have which ones I wanted. From my remainder, let me go through. My income, I estimated a total of $5,004, which is what I estimated from last month. And then all my expenses totaled up to $2,761.34. And then my budget binders, so my cash envelope and sinking funds binder totaled up to, I wanted $1,542.66 to go towards them. And then my saving challenges, I wanted $700 to go towards that. And that equals my $2,242.66 that was remaining. And so, yeah. So, yeah, y'all. So that was all the things accounted for. So anyways, that was my March budget. This was my March calendar layout of all the things. And like I said, this is my first time doing it, but your girl likes what it's given. And I wrote these down because, child, I didn't have no sticker. I didn't buy none, and I don't plan on buying any because it's not in my budget. But like, these are really cute, and it's giving me the like itch to go and spend. So, child, I have the itch too. Okay, look at me recording in PJs. Okay, that girl about that life. Anyways, that's it for the video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you for Sunday Reads. This Sunday we are reading chapter 4 of The Richest Man in Babylon. We are almost done, y'all, so if you have not, go ahead and get into it. This Sunday at 2 p.m. I think that's majority of the announcement. Friday we have our paycheck budgeting as usual, so come and get into it, and make sure you're here for that. And yeah, I see you guys for the rest of the month and all the good things that's happening. So go ahead, enjoy, have a great night, great day whenever you're watching this video. I hope to see you for March. Oh, and make sure that you guys submit your budgets that you think would work for me for the month of April. Like I said, April, I am picking one subscriber's budget to go with. And you hear that little that happened? Because your girl is giving over control of her monties to y'all of how y'all think would be a better way for me to manage my budget. Or if you had my budget, what do you think you would do with it? So, child, excited to see all it. Don't forget to send it to anekebudgets@gmail.com. All of your guys's like notes and stuff of how you like to do it. And then yeah, so anyways, my name is Aneke. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. And I will see y'all in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn your notification bell on. Okay, bye.
how you won't get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk, bad little thing.